Welcome to this explainer. Okay, so today we're diving straight into kind of a wild paradox. Why are so many of us feeling totally physically drained and structurally fragile when we have more access to nutrition than literally ever before? Well, we're going to look at an ancient tonic that targets one of the absolutely most vital elements of our bodies, our bones. So let's jump right in.
There is this massive hidden calcium deficit affecting people right now, even those who think they eat exceptionally well. We're seeing a huge rise in complaints about being physically drained, having joint discomfort, and just weak bones way earlier in life than you'd expect. A lot of us think our daily diet is completely covering our bases, right? But the reality is totally different, especially if you're actively avoiding dairy, skipping meals because you're busy, or leaning just a little too hard on processed foods.
And here's the reality check. Your bones demand serious support starting right after age 30. Yeah, 30. Most people wait until they're in their 60s or 70s to even start thinking about bone density or structural health. But the research makes it absolutely clear. Age 30 is the critical milestone where maintenance becomes vital. If you wait until you're older, you're already playing a really difficult game of catch-up against a major deficit.
Now, I'm going to show you an incredible natural solution that addresses this exact deficit in just a minute. But listen, you have to stick around because there is one very common, simple mistake people make that completely ruins this habit right at the finish line. We're going to make sure you know exactly how to avoid it so you actually get the full benefits.
Honestly, it is no wonder our bodies are struggling. When you think about our modern environment, it's like a giant nutrient vacuum. Our diets are so often overloaded with sugar and caffeine, yet entirely devoid of usable nutrition. And then you combine that dietary void with sitting at a desk all day, basically turning into a vampire away from the sun, tossing and turning all night, carrying chronic stress, and skipping proper meals. This whole combination acts as a massive drain, literally sapping your body's ability to maintain its structural integrity.
And as a direct result of those lifestyle drainers, we see these hidden symptoms pop up. If you're dealing with constant tiredness, feeling physically weak, or just perpetually drained, your body is sending you a very clear SOS signal. And if you're lactose intolerant or trying to cut back on dairy, finding a natural heavy-hitting calcium source to combat this can feel like an impossible puzzle. Well, until you stop looking at the modern supplement aisles and start looking backwards to the past.
Enter finger millet, or as it's widely known, ragi. This isn't some fancy lab-created compound. It's a rugged, drought-resistant, ancient grain that's been a nutritional cornerstone in parts of India and Africa for generations. It has absolutely stood the test of time. And right now, modern wellness communities here in the US are slowly, but very enthusiastically rediscovering it. Why? Because its natural nutritional profile is basically off the charts. Seriously, look at the sheer density packed into this tiny little grain. It's a total powerhouse. It contains more natural calcium than almost any other grain out there, along with iron, dietary fiber, and essential amino acids. When you simmer it down into warm milk, it transforms from just a basic pantry staple into this highly efficient delivery system for exactly what your bones are craving.
Now, let me be absolutely clear about something. While this is powerful, it's not magic. Finger millet milk is not some miracle cure that's going to fix a terrible lifestyle overnight. You absolutely have to pair it with healthy, active habits to see real bone support. It does its best work when it's part of a holistic approach to your health. That means you still need to eat a balanced diet, get regular movement, soak up some natural sunlight, and prioritize good sleep. Think of it as a powerful structural pillar, not the entire foundation.
So why is everyone in modern wellness circles going crazy for this specific drink? Well, aside from the nutrients, it's incredibly accessible. It's highly filling, which totally helps curb those late-night snack cravings we all get. It's famously gentle on digestion, and it's 100% dairy-free. That makes it the perfect calcium source if you're lactose intolerant. Plus, it's totally customizable to whatever flavors you personally love.
Okay, let's break down the recipe. You don't need any fancy culinary equipment for this. You just need 2 tablespoons of finger millet flour, 1 cup of your preferred milk, and yes, plant-based works perfectly, a splash of water, and then your aromatics and sweeteners. You can toss in some cinnamon or cardamom, have this beautiful, warming flavor, and just a tiny amount of honey or dates for a touch of sweetness. And the best part, it takes just 5 minutes. First, you mix the finger millet flour with a little cold water. This is crucial so you don't get lumps. Second, gently heat your milk in a pan. Third, slowly whisk in that millet mixture. Finally, just let it cook and thicken up for about 5 minutes. Stir in your cinnamon or cardamom, and boom, you are done. It is incredibly simple. The versatility of this drink is fantastic too.
You can drink it in the morning to kickstart your day with some sustained energy. You can have it right after your workouts to help supply your muscles and bones with those essential amino acids and minerals. Or, honestly, my personal favorite, drink it right before bed. A lot of people use this warm, comforting drink to successfully replace those sugary nighttime snacks that completely disrupt sleep and spike your blood sugar. But remember that warning I teased at the very beginning? Here is where good intentions completely fall apart. The absolute fastest way to ruin this healthy habit is to treat it like a dessert. Overloading it with extra refined sugar instantly neutralizes its nutritional value. Your body does not need extra sugar masquerading as a health food. Keep the recipe simple. Let the natural, earthy flavors of the grain, the spices, and a very minimal amount of natural sweetener do all the heavy lifting.
Oh, and one huge piece of advice if you're a beginner, ease into it. Because finger millet is so packed with dense dietary fiber, it can actually feel a bit heavy in your stomach if your digestive system isn't used to high fiber foods. Start slowly. Have a small cup every other day, and just let your body gracefully adapt to this awesome influx of real nutrition.
At the end of the day, solid, long-term health comes from affordable, simple, traditional foods, not flashy, expensive fads. We live in this crazy era of extreme diets, viral miracle trends, and outrageously overpriced supplements. But sometimes simple, traditional foods quietly provide the biggest long-term benefits. Finger Millet Milk might not look super flashy in a cup, but it provides an excellent dairy alternative and genuine bone support without breaking the bank. Look, your future health, your structural integrity, your daily energy levels, they are all being actively built right now by the small, seemingly insignificant choices you make consistently today. Given everything we've unpacked about how perfectly this ancient grain counters our modern deficits, my question to you is, are you going to keep relying on expensive supplements, or are you ready to give traditional finger millet milk a try? Thanks for joining me on this explainer, and keep making those small choices count.